What's up guys, it's your boy Bengazi again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to teach you guys how to use the Minoxidil and the beard oil the right way. Yes, most of you guys are using this product together but you are not using it the right way. So in today's video I want to teach you guys how to use it the right way. The other time one guy was like, yo Bengazi, you said we shouldn't be using the Minoxidil and the beard oil at the same time, but in most of your videos you are using them together. Yes, I'm using them together, but you are not watching closely. I know it's kind of confusing. That's why I'm here to teach you guys how to use them the right way. If not, you end up wasting your money and you end up damaging your beard. So stick around, make sure you've watched the full video for your boy and like and subscribe. Yes, you like, I'm going to give you 1 second to like and subscribe for your boy. You know I don't like to waste much of your time, right? So let's hop into it. Yes, to start with, I need to show you the difference between the Minoxidil and the beard oil and what they do to your beard. Yes, so the Minoxidil, its main function is for growth. The main reason why you should use this product is for growth purposes, because this helps your beard to grow. So if you don't have anything on your face, this product is the best for you. And the beard oil, its main purpose is to nourish the beard, to make it look nice, prevent itchiness, to prevent skin dryness, and so on and so forth. That's why you need to use them together. However, I realize that most of you guys are committing a lot of mistakes. You guys tend to use the Minoxidil for the purpose of the beard oil, and you guys use the beard oil for the purpose of the Minoxidil. No, that's not how we use it. Like I said, the Minoxidil, the sole purpose of the Minoxidil on your face is for growth, and this one is for nourishing and a whole lot. You know what I've said. For those guys with beard like mine, yes, if you are a guy out there who has a beard like mine, I don't think this is for you. Yes, this is not your friend. You have no business doing with the Minoxidil. Wait, unless you have some weak points or weak spaces or patches in your beard that you really want to improve or you really want to grow, that's when you should opt for a Minoxidil. But if you don't have those kind of things, your beard is like mine, you don't need to use this one. I've realized that most guys with thick beard tend to go and buy the Minoxidil because we've seen that I'm using it. I'm using it because I want to feel this side of my face. That's the reason why I'm using it. And if you've watched most of my videos, I only apply it to this side of my face. So don't go and get this one if you have a full beard. And if you are somebody without any beard on your face, this is not your friend. This is not the first thing. Well, you can use this one, but this isn't the first product you should all go and get. Most of the beard oils you guys see out there are not meant for beard growth. That's why you don't need it. However, you can use them together, and this is what I'm coming here to show you guys. Don't apply this thing to your beard, because when you apply this thing to your beard, it tends to dry up your beard. Yes, it will cause a lot of dryness and breakage to your beard because of the alcoholic or the alcohol content in it. When you are using it, only focus on where, like I said earlier on, your weak side. You should focus on where you are having issues with. If you have any weak side or any patchy side, you should focus the Minoxidil on. Apply it only to that side, and then after applying it, wait about 5 minutes for it to dry. Then you apply your beard oil. The reason why I said you should wait for about 5 minutes time is when you apply your beard oil right after using the Minoxidil, you tend to dilute the concentration of the Minoxidil. Yes, that's a serious case. And this thing contains 5%. Yes, the content in it is 5% or the concentration. So if you combine it with any other products, you tend to dilute the concentration, which doesn't make the products much more effective or doesn't make it work like the way it should be working for you. So don't do that. And if you want to use both to boost hair growth, that's fine, you can use it, but don't start with the beard oil. The reason why I said that is if you apply the beard oil on your face first, the beard oil, as you guys know, is oily. It tends to block your pores, which hinders the absorption of the Minoxidil. So you don't need to use the beard oil first. Use the Minoxidil first, after that then you apply your beard oil, because like the way I said, you don't want to be wasting your product. So let me quickly show you guys how I currently use them. I still use them together, but let me show you guys how I quickly use them. Whenever I wake up in the morning, I first make sure that I wash my face, because you always want to make sure that you apply the Minoxidil on a clean face. Yes, you don't want to apply it on the oily face or even sweaty face. So I mostly do it after a shower. Immediately after shower, I'll dry my face. Yes, I'll dry my face. Then after drying my face, I focus on this side of my face. Yes, this side. Now the hair is a bit longer here, so you can't really see. I still apply glue even though I have some hairs there, because you know, as the minoxidil, I need to use it for some time for the hair to become terminal. The hairs you see around this side are now just values here which are temporary. If I should quit right now, within about a month or two, I'm going to lose everything. So this one is a spray. So I focus on this side and then I spray about just one spray, and then I massage it. I don't know whether you guys can see. And then I come here, this side, spray another one, then massage it. Yes, this is the only side I apply the minoxidil on. I don't use it on my beard because it's not good for my beard. I've already used it on my beard. I need to wash it quickly. So when I'm done with that one, I then take my beard oil. In this case, we are using castor oil. I pour a bit, not too much, because the castor oil is very thick. You only need very small. And personally, I don't even like the scent of it, so I don't really like to use much of it. I only use it because of the benefits. And then I rub it through my fingers, as you guys can see. Then I don't apply it at where I have applied the minoxidil. That's what I want you guys to see. So I will focus on this side of my beard. You get it? Normally when I do this, after doing this, I'll use my hairbrush to brush through, just to spread out the beard oil. And this is how you should be using it. But in case you are somebody with patches around this side of your face or where the beard is, you can use the minoxidil. Then wait. Yes, when it dries, then you apply the castor oil. That one is fine, but never use the beard or castor oil first before using the minoxidil. That's what you guys need to do. So yeah guys, this is how you use both the beard oil and the minoxidil together. Don't go and use one in place of the other. And I hope the information I've given you in this video is very helpful. If it is, kindly like the video for your boy and subscribe for your boy. If there is any question you guys want me to answer, you can DM me on Instagram at Benghazi__. I'll be glad to answer you guys, man. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.